where pollution, the virus, trafficking, police brutality, abuse,
and gun violence.
But when compassion is the fashion,
from the run right to the kitchen,
we will break this vicious cycle.
Negativity addiction.
We got to rejoice like there is no other choice.
Elevating the vibration.
If you talk, you can say. If you walk, you can dance. You can do anything. A hug, a smile, make someone's day. Let's start a kindness boomerang. Teach your children well, they say. Humankind, be both, no hate. Good Samaritans pave the way, giving back without delay. What a time to be alive. Kindness matters 365. No matter, come what may. Life is better when you